Hey my boys, today again on Crash 300. Look here, this is the arrow signal of spike. Now we're going to open a trade on Crash 300. So keep following, guys, keep watching the video till end so you guys understand how actually the system works. Stop loss will be 3 candles. As you guys can see here, the signal just pop up. Now we are waiting for a spike. This tool have a lot of different features. I will explain in further videos and also tell you how actually to draw colorful lines and what's the purpose of these all colorful lines on my chart. As you guys can see in background, a lot of colorful chart. So the signal is just pop up, we're waiting for a spike. Now this is the one candle which is just closed, the second candle is formation, waiting for a spike. So guys, let's see if the real system works or not. Is front of you guys. Okay guys, now waiting for a spike once it appears. Consistent, profitable, good to trade this system. Keep watching, guys. This is the second candle, and as per our system rule, 3 candles stop loss. Waiting for 3 candles. If there is no spike front of you guys, I will definitely close in loss. You cut the trade. If there is spike, I will hold the profit. Maybe there's more spike because we are seeing power of support and resistance also there. So as you guys can see the second candle, and look here at the spike. This is a tiny spike. We're holding this trade for more. Of course, we are going to complete 3 candles. As you guys can see, signal and spike. Now we are waiting for 3 candles to complete the 3 candles. Okay, so this is the second candle which already spiked. Now we are going to count this as a second candle. So waiting for spike, guys. Look here, market is moving. Indicator shown as a signal spike. Waiting for a spike. As you guys can see, market is moving. This is the second candle which is close to the previous tiny spike. Waiting for a big spike, holding this trade. Okay, above is the scale tool which help us to scale the chart. Look here, you may zoom this as much as you wish. 3 candles stop loss, waiting for a spike. Please hit the subscribe button, guys. Look here, waiting for a spike. This is the third candle. Look here, is the big spike, big one here. This is a live recording. Big spiked. Okay guys, I'm still holding this trade. Let's see if there is more spikes. Look at it, guys, another signal, and we made good profit on this 2 trades, and both we made good profit. Thanks.